Hello, what's up everyone? I'm back again with another video tutorial. Today in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to basically reset your Amazon Prime PIN or password. So basically, if you're using Amazon Prime to watch series of movies and videos, so how to reset the PIN if you forgot that in some case. So to do it, to start with, the first thing you need to do is simply go to your Amazon Prime. Just remember that Prime Videos is Amazon Prime. People get confused with that. So basically, this is the application for Windows. I'm going to click and open this on my PC right here on the screen, right? Now, after that, what I'm going to do is select my region. Just remember to select your region, the right one, and just go sign in, right? Once you go onto this page, now what we're going to do is click here on Need Helps. And after that, go and click on Forget Your Password. Now click here, and here it'll ask you to basically enter the phone number or email with which you are registered Amazon Prime, or basically Prime Videos, right? Enter that here, whatever that is, and basically go to your browser, open up your mail, which mail or phone number. If there's a phone number, just check your message. You will receive a code. Once you enter that code, after that, you would get to choose password, which you want to create the new password with, and then after that you will have to enter it twice just to make sure, and after that you will get your Amazon Prime Videos password or PIN reset. So that's how we do it. I hope you found this video helpful. If it did, please drop a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this one. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.